Good morning. Day 2 of my staycation. Last night I had to take Xanax because of this dirt pile. Has to go in there. This is from the paver area, and I knew the day was gonna come. And here it is. I'm not very excited about it. My dog's probably gonna run off. Okay, I'm gonna get working on this and just do what I can until I get tired. I'm not gonna stress myself out anymore about it. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I can't record because maybe I can. I don't know if I can find a good place for the tripod because it's really wedged in there. We'll see. Okay, I made a pretty good dent in it. I can go out a little bit more. There. I decided that I'm just gonna pull up all the weedy part, and then I have all this clean dirt here, and I'm gonna fill it in here, which I've been doing. Get it kind of level. This is the neighbor side. I just sprayed all that. I'll get my weed eater out when it gets a little bit later. But this is work. It's almost like I put a hose on top of my head and the sweat is just dripping. It's freaking crazy. I'm gonna go take a break. So I'm kind of at a standstill right now because I have shoveled as much as I can over there. I need a big strong man to help me move that utility trailer, and I got my hydrangea planted, and then I gave him some food and a bunch of water, which might have looked like I overwatered it, but if that's overwatering it, then it can't live in Oregon because it rains. I'm thinking of what I'm gonna do. I really don't want to go buy 75 more bags of that white rock. I'm gonna cheat. I think I might just put the white rock on this end and that whole side, mulch it. Maybe. See, here I am taking the easy way out again. Okay. It's 86 degrees outside and it's only 12 o'clock. My husband told me that I had to come in. I can't work outside anymore because I'm dehydrated. So I'm gonna go sit in my air-conditioned house. Thank you.
Welcome. Don't put me on video.
I think it's finally cooled off and not. I think it's finally cooled off and not. I cannot talk. It's cooled off. I think it's kind of cooled off enough that I can put my rock in. I had to get muscle help though, because that stuff's heavy. Well, I didn't think this would happen while I'm trying to cut my weed fabric. I'm scared I'm gonna get nailed. Ah! Ouch! Blood. Owie. Owie. Look at it. It's hard work because those bags of rock are super duper heavy. That's why I had my son pour one of them for me, but he's got a hurt back right now, a bulging disc or something, so he can't help me all that much. Okay, so you can see I got vetoed on the white rock. I discussed my plans about just doing mulch over there and then just doing white rock at the end down there. It would look better with the white rock. And I said, it would look better with your ass out there helping me with the white rock. Because that shit's heavy. I guess depending on how thick you put it, here down to there is 6 bags. I have 3 more left, and I'm gonna have to get more. I think I'll start again in the morning when I actually have some strength in my arms, because I was digging all that dirt today, so maybe I'm just kind of a weenie tonight. Okay, I got sweat dripping down my forehead. It's still probably 90 degrees out here, but I'm gonna call it a night. All right, have a good night.